2 plus 2 is 12, 3 plus 3 is 30, 4 plus 4 is 56. Then from 1 plus 1 is what? So from this pattern, 1 plus 1 is what? So can you find the number that fills this logical sequence? Comment your comment what number you found and watch my solution in this video. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I ask you to subscribe it and activate the notification bell here on the channel because we have daily upload free videos that train your mind in reasoning as well as basic to advanced math. So now take a good look to the resolution of this logical sequence. So well, if you look, 2 plus 2 is 4, and if we multiply with the predecessor of 4, that is 3, we get 12. Now 3 plus 3 is 6 and predecessor of 6 is 5 and 6 times 5 is 30. Now 4 plus 4 is 8 and predecessor of 8 is 7, that is 56. 8 times 7. Now 1 plus 1 is 2 and predecessor of 1 is 2 is 1. So 2 times 1 is 2. So what replaces the question mark? 2. Comment down below if you already cracked the logic of this logical sequence. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.